All right, today I'm going to show you how to change your dome lights in a 2010 RAV4. So this is for a lot of years. So basically you just get a flathead screwdriver and this little area right here, you just kind of pry up a little bit. And be careful, you don't want to break something, but it comes off. And same thing down here. Pry that off. And both of them are out, so I'll go ahead and do both of them. Okay. All right, there you go, and you can see the light bulb there. Carefully pull it out. This little area right here can get stuck in there. If that's the case, you have to pry this part out to be able to find that. And so you can see how that looks there. I believe it's a 194 light bulb. So I got me a bag of LED ones to change it. I probably should be wearing gloves, but I got 10 of them, so I just need 2. And then you just match it up for that same area. And wow, it's already working. And you test it, see if it works. That works. Same thing over here. This one here, I actually got lost. I'm gonna be careful to pull it straight out. This straight out. Take another one of these. I got a 10-pack for like $5. If you go to other stores, they tend to want to charge you like a lot of money for them. But of course, when you buy stuff online, and that one works also. So look at that. They both work. And so now let's just put back on the covers. And since I got this car used, I haven't had both dome lights work. So you just put that part in there. Of course, you can have it for the door. Open the door up. Hey now. So then that's going to be some good light for me in the car. As always, rock and roll the course of this computer. You like this type of amazing content, you know what you need to do. Subscribe and compute that. So you just do it. It's like that.